Students, today we will start linear equation in one variable. First of all, we should know linear pair. We know that sum of two angles is 180 degree. It means a straight line. That means here we have to understand the meaning. Linear. What is the meaning of linear? That means straight or variable power 1. For example, x plus 3 equal to 10. Here the power of the variable x is 1. That's why this is linear. If we take another example, x square plus 3x, that is variable's power is 2, so that's why it is not linear. Now we will think about equation. What is equation? An algebraic expression which have equal to sign. For example, x plus 2 is equal to 5. This is linear equation because here variable's power is 1 and equal to sign is here. Now another example, 3x minus 2. This is not equation because it has not given equal to sign. Is it clear? Now we come to variable. Variable means which value changes time to time. That means which has not a fixed value. Generally we take letters from alphabet. A, B, C, X, Y, Z, etc. That means here vary or changes. Here we need to understand variable means which has different values. Now we will understand algebraic expression. How many types of algebraic expression? There are 4 types. Linear, variable highest power 1, that is linear. For example, y plus 2 is equal to 10. Quadratic, which variable's highest power 2. Example, x square plus 7x minus 8 is equal to 0. These all are equations. So cubic, power 3. Variable's highest power is 3. Example is given. Biquadratic. Students, these all types we have discussed in polynomial chapter also. In our syllabus, we have to continue linear equation. Here I am giving you an example. 3x minus 2 is equal to x plus 8. This is variable is x and power is 1. In polynomial we have understand degree equal to 1 with equality sign, that's why it is equation. Now we will understand solution of linear equation. How will we solve linear equation? Here I am giving you an example. X plus 3 is equal to 7. In the left side of equal to sign, this is called LHS, left hand side, and right side of the equal to sign, that is called RHS, right hand side. So left hand side is x plus 3 and RHS is 7, and between LHS and RHS is equal to sign. This is, I have given you an example. We will focus on x, variable's power is 1. Suppose we put x is equal to 4. So when we put in LHS x equal to 4, 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. That means x equal to 4 is non-solution of the equation x plus 3 equal to 7. Solution is also known as root or zeros. We will know root, zeros in the next, it means higher classes 9 or 10. Example, x plus 2 is equal to 10. By putting x equal to 8, we get at 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. So the solution is x is equal to 8. That means x equal to 8 is solution. Now we will understand methods to solve linear equation in one variable. There are three methods. First method is trial and error method. Second one, systematic method. Third one, transposition method. We will discuss one by one. First of all, we will understand trial and error method. Students, here I am telling you that transposition method we use generally this method. For example, by taking the first method, trial and error method, suppose we have x plus 3 is equal to 7. Here x is variable. By trial we put x equal to 1. It will 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. This is not equal to 7. X is equal to 2. 2 plus 3, it is also not equal to 7. If we put x equal to 3, 3 plus 3, which is not equal to 7. If we put x is equal to 4, so that is 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. It means it is trial method by putting the value of variable. So x is equal to 4 is solution of the given linear equation. Another example, we take x plus 1 is equal to 100. Now we come to systematic method. In this method, some operations are performed on both sides of equal to sign. Terms are eliminated until the solution is found. Example: 2x plus 3 is equal to 17. We will attempt this question by systematic method. Suppose we have 2x plus 3 is equal to 17. We write down 2x plus 3 minus 3 is equal to 17 minus 3. This is called systematic method. First of all, we will remove the constant term in LHS. How will we remove? That is, both sides we will perform a same operation. That's why we have taken here minus 3 in LHS and minus 3 in RHS. That means 2x plus 3 minus 3 is equal to 17 minus 3. Now step 1. Whatever we have done, it is very clear. Subtract 3 both sides. We will write down here subtract 3 both sides. So that means 2x plus 3 minus 3 is equal to 17 minus 3. So plus 3 minus 3 will cancel. It will be 0. And now 2x is equal to 14. Now we have 2x, that is 2 multiply x. So if we need to find x, so we divide by 2 both sides. It will be 2x by 2 is equal to 14 by 2. So x is equal to 7. So this is the solution of the linear equation 2x plus 3 is equal to 17. So this is called systematic method. Now we can check. How do we check that our solution is right or wrong? We will put the value of x in LHS, and if we get RHS, it means our solution is right. This is the method. How do we check our solution? This is called systematic method. Students, now we will discuss transposition method, third one. In this method, we take an example: x plus 3 is equal to 7. First question: when we send or we change any term to another side, that means LHS to RHS or RHS to LHS, we change the sign. Plus changes into minus. Here I have given you x is equal to 7 plus 3 goes to RHS, it will minus 3. So x is equal to 4. Now come to the next example. If x minus 2 equal to 7, so x is equal to 7 minus 2 will go to the right side, it will be plus 2. So x is equal to 7 plus 2, 9. Now multiply changes into division. Example: 3x is equal to 15. Here 3x, that means 3 multiply x. So x is equal to, it will go to the right side, 15 divided by 3, that means 15 by 3. So x is equal to 5. This is the solution. And next example, if it is in division form in LHS, x by 2 is equal to 8. When it will go to the right side, it will change into multiply form. So x is equal to 8 multiplied 2. This is 16. So x is equal to 60. These are the examples of transposition method to solve linear equation in one variable. Now I am giving you an example, mixed example, in which it is in multiply form and addition form. For example, 3x plus 2 is equal to 14. Here plus 2 is here in LHS. So plus 2 will go to the right hand side. It will change into minus 2. So first of all we write 3x is equal to 14 minus 2. This implies 3x is equal to 12. Now it is in multiplication form. So x is equal to 12 by 3 is equal to 4. It is clear? How do we use transposition method? Now we will attempt exercise questions with solution. Here I have taken some questions from NCERT book exercise 7.1. First question is solve the following equations using elimination method. Elimination method, that means we will, first question, 3a minus 3 is equal to 8 because we multiply 3 with both terms because it is in bracket. That is the 3a equal to 8 plus 3. So 3a equal to 11 and a is equal to 11 by 3. Students, elimination method means third method which we have discussed just now. Similarly, we can solve next question. 42 plus 4x is equal to 11x. So it is 42 is equal to 11x minus 4x. This implies 42 is equal to 7x. This implies 7x equal to 42, we can write, and x is equal to 42 by 7 is equal to 6. These two questions, students, you need to solve C and